we're doing yet another Porsche 992. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in again. And today a little bit different setting. Let me know in the comments how you like it. Also for Instagram, we're doing this whole thing here a little bit different, but let's try. So, we already showed you some of our exciting Porsche 992 projects. I know Porsche is still quite a new field to us. You know, our company has been mostly doing Lambo projects, but then we started doing the Porsche 993 last year, a classic project, and we really fell in love with Porsche. So earlier this year we showed you our Porsche 992, the latest iteration of the 911 GT3 RS project. We did a very big wing, may I say. It's massive. Let's see if we can show you some photos here. So, but that install was actually on a convertible, and a lot of you guys wrote to us and said, hey, is that actually possible to see that wing installed on a regular coupe? And in normal circumstances, I would say yes, of course. Actually, we should have done the coupe first, because normally I would say that kind of big wing, you would normally see that installed on a coupe. So having said enough, let's now directly switch over to the installs. We basically did a fitting as well, same as we did before on the convertible. This time we did it on the coupe, and this kind of fitting we usually do before the actual install to see whether the product also fits. Always make sure, you never know what condition the car is in. So let's have a look. So let's switch over now and see how we did the fitting on the Porsche 992 Coupe, the latest iteration of the 911 in 2020, and show you how we installed the wing or pre-fitted the wing on this awesome car. So the first thing we do usually is we get the wing out of the box, but besides doing that, we also have to put some material onto the car, make sure it's not getting scratched. Remember, this is a pre-fitting only. The actual installation is happening later on. When all the car has been laid out with protective foam, we can then take the wing, as you see here, and carefully place it on the car. And then the first thing we have to do is we have to look around all edges, see whether the wing fits or not. And then, because for the sake of this video, we had to take the cameras. We had 2 cameras on site on that day. We had to take the cameras and put it into many different locations to give you guys the chance to see how that wing looks like from different angles. So I think for right now, I'll just stop talking about this and just let you see how the wing looks like. I think that wing really looks amazing. It's big, it's massive, but then you might know that I do love big wings. Some people like elegant wings, some people like no wings at all, or maybe just a small trunk spoiler. I definitely like big wings. But you know what? Our Aero Kit wing is getting really popular, maybe even more popular than the GT3 RS wing we just showed you, and that might be because it just looks more elegant. I would say stay tuned. If you like to see our Aero Kit wing being installed on a Porsche, let me know in the comments. Click like. If we can hit, like, let's say 100 or more likes on this video, we're definitely going to make a video for the Aero Kit wing as well. So kindly support this video by giving us a lot of likes or thumbs up, depending on the platform where you're watching this. And let us know how you liked the video, or tell us also what you didn't like. You know, we're always open. Give us a thumbs down if you didn't like the video, but please, in all cases, always tell us what you didn't like in particular. We love that too, because only then we can improve and give you better content in future. Let me say thanks for watching. Please also give us a subscribe. Also hit the little bell icon to subscribe to our channel. We're going to show you next to me how to do it on some other platforms as well. And then you get a message next time when we upload new videos, and you don't miss any DMC videos. One more time, let me say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Life.